Okay, next one, you're gonna follow pattern. Okay, Hazen. Let's copy this one. Okay, you look at this pattern. Okay, you follow that one. Here you go. What's the first one? Pink trapezoid. Oh, trapezoid. Look mo, trapezoid. Careful. Next. Look at your pattern. Uh-oh, look again. Look at your pattern. Next to pink trapezoid, color blue. Where is it? Blue. Okay, very good. Dito, next to trapezoid. Next. Hexagon, yellow. Sige, look mo yung butas. Okay, next. What is this? Half circle. And then, color pink circle. Very good. Next one. Oh, look mo yung pattern. What is this? Okay, square. Dito tayo. Okay, next one. Color blue. Next, what shape? Trapezoid. Sige, go put. Okay, next, color pink. Pink. Put. Next one. Dito tayo. Saan tayo lalagay? Again, do it again. Color pink. Here. Hazen, look mo. Again. Put it here. Yeah, next one. Pink. Oh, pink. Okay, next. Color. Red hexagon. Get. Oh, dito na po tayo. Next. Green circle. Oh, green circle. Next one. Color pink. Oops. And then, color purple square. Next, color white. Next, what shape? Star. Very good. Get the star. And then, another one. Star. And then, it's a triangle. Okay, last. Color. Oh, look mo. Look, Hazen. No. What color is this? Blue. Color blue. Blue. Green. Look mo. Color green. Hexagon. Yellow. Uh-oh. You look properly. And then, half circle. No. Half circle. Look mo. Half circle. Again. Remove mo this one. Remove. And then, look for the half circle. And square. Purple. Okay. Finish. There you go. High five. Okay. Nice one. Thank you po. Let's put it back na. Let's go. Come here. Hug the ball. Come here. Hug the ball again. Dito ka. Get the picture. Yan. You hug the ball. Okay? Yan. 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How about lay? Lay on the ball. Lay on the ball. Lay tayo ng ball. Lay. Yan. Here you go. Lay. Yan. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, thank you po. Good job. I'm scared. Sa ball? Tap the ball. Come here, tap the ball. Tap the ball. Tap. Go, tap my ball. Tap the ball. It's okay. Tap. Okay, tap. Ball. Very good, Hazen. Okay, look at the facial expression. At Hazen, look. Hazen, look mo yung facial expression of each picture. Look mo. What is this? Crying. Yes, where's the crying face? Very good. How about this? Happy smile. Oh, look at this face. What is this? Are you sure? What? Look at the face. Angry. Angry face. Where is it? Angry. Oh, no. Look mo again. Tingnan mo pa yung eyes. Angry face. Angry. No. Look mo yung face. Look at the facial expression. Angry. Where is it? Angry face. No. Try again. Yun. Okay. Angry. Next. Smiley. Uh-oh. Look again. Look again, Ate Hazen. Where's the smiley face? Okay, very good. Next. How about the dizzy face? Dizzy. Okay, good job. Next. Scared. Scared face. Scared. Oh no. Scared. Where is it? Oops. I don't think of this one. Scared face. Oh no. Can you try again? Can you look again? Scared face. Scared. Okay, very good. Next. Laughing face. Ha ha ha. Laughing face. Very good. How about the sad face? Oh no. Sad. Next. Winky face. Oh, wink. Wink. Look mo again. Look again. Hazen, focus on your work. Wink. Wink. No. Look at the eye. Wink. Wink. Look my eyes. No. Try again. Hazen, look my eye. Look my eye. Wink. Oh, look. Winky face. Hazen, winky face. Again. Winky. Wink face. Next. Shock face. Shock. Oh, shock. Look mo mabuti. Nasaan yung shock face? Okay, next. Loving face. Love. Next one. Sick face. Sick. Okay, good job. High five, teacher. Nice one. Okay, look at the facial expression. At Hazen, look. Hazen, look mo yung facial expression of each picture. Look mo. What is this? Crying. Yes, where's the crying face? Very good. How about this? Happy smile. Oh, look at this face. What is this? Are you sure? What? Look at the face. Angry. Angry face. Where is it? Angry. Oh, no. Look mo again. Tignan mo pa yung eyes. Angry face. Angry. No. Look mo yung face. Look at the facial expression. Angry. Where is it? Angry face. No. Try again. Yun. Okay. Angry. Next. Smiley. Uh-oh. Look again. Look again, Ate Hazen. Where's the smiley face? Okay, very good. Next. How about the dizzy face? Dizzy. Okay, good job. Next. Scared. Scared face. Scared. Oh no. Scared. Where is it? Oops. I don't think of this one. Scared face. Oh no. Can you try again? Can you look again? Scared face. Scared. Okay, very good. Next. Laughing face. Ha ha ha. Laughing face. Very good. How about the sad face? Oh no, sad. Next, winky face. Oh, wink, wink. Look mo again. Look again. Hazen, focus on your work. Wink. Wink. No, look at the eye. Wink. Wink. Look my eyes. No, no. Try again. Hazel, look my eye. Look my eye. Wink. Oh, look. Winky face. Hazen, winky face. Again, again. Winky. Wink face. Next. Shock face. Shock. Oh, shock. Look mo mabuti. Nasaan yung shock face? Okay, next. Loving face. Love. Next one. Sick face. Sick. Okay, good job. High five, teacher. Nice one. Okay, let's try again. Okay, go inside. Go inside. Yeah. Okay. Careful. Okay, step. Go, step. Then go. Go. Step. Very good. Okay, we'll go back here. Come here. It's another one. Color blue. Here. Good job. Careful. Stand inside. Yes, color blue. Yes. Remove. Okay, remove. Step. Very good. Yeah, there you go. Next one. Next one. Here. It's right here, oh. Step ka pa. Step. Here. Step. Yan. Okay. Next one. Hazel, go. Step. Get color red. Wait, teacher. Yes. Remove and then step. Dito. Step. Go. Careful. Step. Shoot. Very good. Next. Sige go. Step. Sige go. Go inside, right? And then get mo color blue. Remove. Yan. Step. There you go. Okay, next one. And shoot. Very good. Get another one. Okay, you go up, ha? Get purple green. Get purple green. Here, come here. Purple green. Here. Purple. Go up. Up. Step. Okay, let's go up again. Up. Up. Step. Down, go down, 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 and shoot. Very good. Next, color green. Come here, color green. Okay, let's go up. Up. Can you do it? Up. Okay. Left. Okay, go down. Go down. Okay, down. Down. And shoot. Good. Uh-oh. Okay, next one. Color red. Color red. Okay. I'm gonna go up. Up. Oops. Go, 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 go. Oopsie. Step. Step. Down. 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 And shoot. Good job. Next one. Yellow. Come on. Wait, picture. Color yellow. Wait. Okay. Look at your step. Down. Down. And down. Okay. Next one. Purple. 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 Come here. Purple. Okay. Step. Step. Careful. Down. And good. Next one. Orange. Orange. Okay. Can you try it? Yes, you go try it. Orange. Orange. Careful. Look at your step. Look at your step. Look at your step. And okay. Nice. Next one. Yellow. Ate Hazen, yellow. Get color yellow. Okay. Oh, go. Try it again. Go up. Go, Hazen. That's not. Careful. Careful. Go down. And jump. Very good. Color red. Come on, red. Red. Okay, go up, 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 up. Go up. Go. Watch your steps. Balance. Okay. Red. Jump. Shoot. Good job. Sweet. Okay, shoot natin ha. Here yan. Oh, hold mo this one. Then, transfer. And then shoot. Hold mo, this one. Hold, transfer, shoot. Okay, ayos mo again. Get. Shoot. There you go. Next. Get. Hazen, get. Ayusin yung feet. Okay, jump pa. Ayusin yung mo. Purple. Jump. Jump ka dun ah. Look at your feet. Hold. Jump. Go, shoot. Hazen, shoot. Shoot. Hazen, shoot. Shoot. Go. Jump. Okay, next. Get. Color red. Okay, shoot. Yan. Shoot. Go back. Jump. Okay, next. Yellow. Get. Jump. Hazen, next. Yellow. Very good. Next. Color pink. Hazen, get the color yellow. Yellow. Next. Galing ka. Next. Okay, next. Ayos yung foot. Next. Red. Very good. Next. Color red. Get. Red. Good job, Omar. Transfer. Go. Go. Jump ka daw. Jump, jump. Again. Hop. Hop. Very good. Color red. Transfer. Shoot. Okay, next. Get. Shoot. Very good. Next. Get. Shoot. Next one. Get. Shoot. Good job. Next. Get. Shoot. Next one. Get. Shoot.
Taiwan, come here. Again. Jump.
Shoot. Very good. Next one. Get. Shoot.
Jump.
Next one. Get.
Careful. Jump.
Shoot. Very good. Next. Get. Next one. Get.
Jump.
Shoot.
Jump.
Next.
Jump.
Go. Kaya mo yan. Okay, next one. Get.
Jump.
Shoot. Next.
Jump.
There you go. Next one.
Last
Get.
two. Jump.
Shoot. Okay, next.
That's it, Simon.
Shoot.
Jump.
Uh-oh.
Jump.
Shoot properly. Okay, next.
Jump.
Get.
High five.
Good job. Next one.
Two hands, Simon.
There you go. Next. Very good. Last one. Last one. Yay!
Hello, can you clap your hands? Hello, can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes?
Okay.
Can you turn around? Can you say hello?
Say hello.
Hello, can you stamp your feet? Hello, can you stamp your feet? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello?
Good job.
Hello, can you clap your hands? Hello, can you stamp your feet?
Okay, good job. Okay, Hazen, now look. You're going to find the letters written in the cloud. Oh, look at the letter. What is this? Okay, how about this one? Letter A. And you're going to color them in the color you want. Okay? Again, Hazen, look. Eyes here. Oh, look, letter A. Okay, color the letter A. Find the letter A. Color it, Color properly. Letter. What letter is this? It's a letter A. Color. Up, down. Careful. Control, ate. Okay, good job. How about this one? Letter A. Color the letter A. Okay, good job. Up, down. Color it. Color properly. Letter A lang kukulayan. Dahan-dahan lang. Okay, next one. This one. Letter A. Color the letter A. Go. Okay. Purple. Okay, next. Letter A. Dahan-dahan lang, ate. Okay, good job. Eyes here. Next one. Okay. Next one. Letter A. Go. Okay. Okay. Next one. Okay. Okay. Last letter A. Okay. Careful. Okay, good job. Next one. How about the small letter A? Wait, Hazen. Small letter A. Letter A. A is for color? Okay, hold it. Okay, control. Lagay ito ni teacher. Go. Next. Okay, purple. Letter A lang. Okay, next. Okay. Eyes here. Hazen. Okay, last one. Go. Okay, ito pa pala. Here. Color go. Hold. Guide the teacher. Okay, good job. Oh, high five. Give me high five, teacher. Okay, letter. What letter is this? Letter A. Good job. Oh, give it to me. Okay, waiting hands. Wait hands. Okay, good. Next, Hazen. Horizontal line. Here. Hold. Help mo ni teacher. Okay, purple to purple. Okay, next one. Next one, hold it properly. Hold properly, Hazen. Yan. Okay, purple to purple. Again, horizontal line. Okay, next one. Okay, good job. Okay, next. Orange to orange. Okay, next. Next one. Next one. Okay, next. Hazen, look. Okay, next. Next one. Okay, good job. Oh, here. Blue to blue. Go. Okay, good job. Okay, good job, Hazen. High five. High five, teacher. Okay.
Everything I am, everything I am, everything I'll be, everything I'll be. I give it to you, Lord. I give it to you, Lord. And you with
It's okay, Ate. It's okay.
every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you.
Look, go. Reposition it, please, go. You can do it. Okay, good job, Ate.
Everything I have, everything I have, all you've given me, all you've given me, I give it to you, Lord. I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you.
Reposition. Ate, it's okay, reposition.
Everything I am, everything I am, everything I'll be, everything I'll be. I give it to you, Lord. I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you.
Reposition.
Is a gift to you.
Okay, reposition. Okay, Ate Hazen, look. Letter E. What's the sounds of letter E? Ah. Say ah. Okay. Next, do not touch. Next, how about this one? What letter? It's a letter I. The sounds of letter I is E. Say E. E. Okay. Pakinggan ang bawat tunog, ah. Oh. What is this? It's a dog. Or aso. So. Where do you put that? A or I? Okay, good job, Hazen. Next one. How about this one? What is this? It's a fish or isda. Isda. Oh, look, where do you put the isda? Okay, good job, Hazen. Next one. Waiting hands. Next one. Next is ano to? Sun or araw. Araw. Where do you put that? Okay, good job. It's a letter A. Oh, waiting hands. Next one. How about this one? What is this? It's a bird or ibon. Ibon. Oh, start with the letter ibon. Oh, get Oh, A or I? Ibon. Okay, good job, Hazen. Next one. Waiting hands. Waiting hands. Next one. Oh, look. What is this? It's a avocado. Avocado. Okay, good job. Next. Egg or eat. Stand up, Hazen. Hazen, stand up. Go. Go. Oh, you're going to write the horizontal line and connect the word, okay? What is this? It's a sando. Okay, draw a line. Draw a line, connect to the word. Go. Draw a line. Trace the broken line. Now, look me red line. Go. Okay, trace. Go. Okay. Go. Okay, good job. Next one. It's a rain boots or bota. Oh, connect. Go. Draw a line. No. Stop that. Stop. Straight line lang. Go. Draw. And again. Go. No. Stop yon. Stop. Wait si teacher. Wait si teacher. Oh, draw a line. Here, help si teacher. No, straight line lang. Okay, next. What is this? Or payo. No. Okay, next. Okay, good job. Next one, Hazen. Okay, good job. Sit down. Wait for teacher. Do reading. What word is this? Foot. Very good. Okay, how about this one? What is this? Egg. Next, color. What color? What word is this? It's color white. Next, what shape is this? It's a... What word is this? Star. Next, color orange. Next one. Brown. Next. Pink. Very good. Purple. Next. What's that? It's kite. Kite. Next. Triangle. Next one. Umbrella. Very good. Next.
You want some,
What word?
snakes?
F is for the fish. Next one. Apple. Good job. Next. Snake. Next word.
Morning, yeah.
Ball. It's a ball. Next one. Here you go. Watch. Good job. Next one.
Morning, yeah.
How about this? What's that? Hand. Hand. Okay, next. Nose. Very good. What shape? Square. Next one. Green. Next. Yellow. Next one. Blue. Heart. Next. Green. Very good. Circle. Next one. Lion. And last one. Xylophone. Good job. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna identify and color the correct shape. Okay? What color is this? Color? Oh, what color is this? Color? Red. Color? Again. Color? Okay, very good. Okay. Hold mo this one. What word is this? Circle. Oh, now, color the circle. Where's the circle? Okay, very good. Color. Circle. Dohiza. Next. Oh, what's the word? What is this? Rectangle. Where's the rectangle? Color rectangle. Very good, Hazen. Slowly, color mo. Up, down. Color the rectangle. Okay, next. What word is this? Square. Where's the square? Color the square. Okay, nice one. Next word. What is this? Okay, star. Where's the star? Color the star. Okay, good job, Hazen. Up, down. Sige, go. Color mo. Up, down, star. Next, what shape is this? What word is this? Heart. Where's the heart? Color the heart. Up, down. Sige, go. Up, down. Look. Hazen. Color up, down. Okay, next one. What shape is this? Triangle. Where's the triangle? Color the triangle. Color triangle. Okay, last one. What shape is this? Oval. Very good. Where's the oval? Okay, color mo. Color up, down. Color. Yan. Okay, very good, Hazel. High five. There you go. Okay, next, you fix puzzle. What is this? Whale. Very good. Oh, you fix it on your own. Here you go. Fix the whale. Fix it on your own. You can do it. Fix the whale. Hazen. Sige, kaya mo yun. You try it po. You try it. You fix the whale. Okay, next. Next one. Try it again. Okay, last. Very good. There you go. Next one. What is this? Snail. Okay, you fix the snail. Fix it on your own, okay? Here you go. Snail. Look mo properly. Go, Hazen. Go, you try to fix it. What nose? One more. One more. Oh, you try to fix it. Oh, you start with this one. Put color green. Yan. Put it properly. And then next one. And then, yan. Oh, snail. Okay, next. You try again. Try again. How about this one? What is this? Car. Okay, oh, fix it on your own, ha? Go, fix it on your own. Try to fix the car. Next one. Very good. And there you go. Put it here. Thank you. Next one. What is this?
Ship.
Okay, ship. Oh, you fix the ship. There you go. Fix the ship. Fix it. Fix it. Ship. Go, Hazen. Kaya mo yan. Hazen, ayos on your work. Look mo, look. Like this. So, help ka ni teacher. Okay, start with the color green. Put color green. Where? Again. Put green. Yeah, next one, blue. And next one. There you go. You put it here. Put mo po. Yan. Thank you. Okay, last one. What is this? Okay, oh, you try to fix this one, huh? Go. Teddy bear. Oh, put mo properly. Look mo yung hand. Fix it. No. You look again. Go, Hazen. Okay, like this. Put the hand on here. Like this. Okay, I'll try to the other one. Try. Like this. Try it. There you go. Okay, high five. Put it here. Thank you. Okay, listen to the teacher. How you're gonna paste and match the things that go together. Okay, hold mo na yung glue mo. Sige, squeeze the glue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, next, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pictures. Okay, you're going to match, ha? Okay, here you go. What goes together with toothpaste? Toothpaste and, for brushing your teeth. Toothpaste and, look, toothpaste and toothbrush. Brush your teeth. Hold mo. Toothpaste, toothbrush. Brush your teeth. Next, what goes together with spoon? Eat. Spoon and, no. Spoon and what? What goes together with the spoon? For you to eat your food. Spoon and fork. Spoon and fork. Okay, how about shoes? Shoes and, flower. Which one? Shoes and What do you wear? Wear your shoes and your socks. Shoes, socks. Okay? Next. How about for your gloves? For your hand? Mitten. Where is it? Mitten. For your very good hand. Good job. Next one. How about paper? Paper and paper. Oh, writing. Paper and what? Paper and which one? No. Paper and look mo, eyes on your work. Paper and pencil. Paper, pencil. Writing. Paper and pencil. Next one. How about the web? Look mo this one. Spider web. Spider web. Look mo, where's the spider? Spider web. Spider. Where's the spider? Yan. O, put mo si spider. Spider web. Okay, next one. How about the lock? Lock. Open the lock. Use the open the lock. Use your open may lock mo. Open. No. Open the lock. Use your what do you use to open the lock? Use the key. Where's the key? Oh, no. Where is the key? Open the lock. Use the key. Look. Key. Hazen. Look mo properly. Lock and key. Open. Lock and key. Next. Table. Table and no. Look mo. Look at your work. Look. Focus on your work. Oopsie. Wait. Wait, one more. Okay, do it again. Table. Table and chair. Okay, next one. How about the base? Base and base. Oh, flower base. Where's the flower? Flower base. Okay, very good. Dito mo po lagay. Ayusin mo po. Hold mo. Flower base. Okay, next one. Okay, here you go. How about the hammer? Hammer and no. Hammer and what? Comb. Again, do it again. Hammer. Hammer and nail. Look mo, poke. Hammer and nail. Look mo carefully, Hazen. Okay, next. Hair. Goes together with your hair. Oh, no, hair. Hazen, look at your work. Hair. What are you gonna do with your hair? Comb your hair. Next, spade. Spade and bucket. Go, look. Spade and bucket. Okay, next. How about the drum? Oh, no. Look mo carefully. Where's the thing that goes together with the drum? Okay, drumstick. And then color, green and paint brush. Okay, very good. High five. Okay.
Okay, Gabby, Ray, and Hazen. Oh, Gabby, come here. We're going to match the picture, ha? So, correct answer. Number 1, what is this, Gabby?
1.
Isa?
Whale.
Anong kulay si whale? Pula or bughaw?
Cow.
Bughaw? Very good. Match mo.
Dilaw.
Yes. So,
Dilaw.
yes. Kulay?
Dilaw.
Bughaw yun. Go. Match mo. Yes. Go. Match mo. Okay. Very good.
Zoe.
Sit down. Quiet. Sit down na the green chair. Next. Ray. Next.
Banana.
Anong kulay si banana? Dilaw or pula? Kulay?
Ay, di.
Anong kulay? Dilaw or pula?
Move.
Kulay? Okay, ano to? Dilaw? Very good. Oh, connect the dots. Go. You can do it. Next mo, banana.
Move.
Dots. Okay, very good. Very right. Sit down. Next one. Hazen.
Move.
Hazen, your turn. Come to teacher. Hazen, come here. Hazen, come here. Not your turn. I said Hazen. Sit down first. It's okay. Sit down lang. Wait for your turn. Next. What is this, Hazen? It's a rainy day or clouds. Oh, look mo yung clouds. Anong kulay? Pula or bughaw? Go. Kulay? O, go. Connect the dots. Bughaw. Okay, go. Okay, very good. Hazen, sit down. Sit down. Go. Go. Oh, next one. Gavin. Gavin, your turn. Gavin, next. Oh, look here. Oh, look mo. What is this?
Car.
Car. Anong kulay si car? Pula or dilaw?
Move.
Pula or dilaw? Car. Look mo yung car, oh. Kulay? Kulay? Gavin. Pula or dilaw? Kulay?
Where?
Say pula.
Elephant.
Pula. Quiet. Oo. Look at your work here. Look. Gavin, look at your work. Oh, connect dots. Very good. Sit down.
It is
Next one. Gavin, Ray, and Hazen. Oh, look at the primary colors. We have
red.
red. How about Hazen? Hazen, color?
Red.
Red. Red. Waiting hands. Do not touch anything. How about Ray? Red. Next one. Color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. Ray. Look. Yellow. Yellow. Okay, next. Last one we have? Blue. Color? Okay, how about the Tagalog words of each color, ha? O, number 1. O, read. Say nyo. Dilaw.
Lagaji.
Dilaw.
Dilaw.
Say dilaw, Hazen. Dilaw. Waiting hands. Wait hands first. Not yet. Okay, how about Ray? Say dilaw. Gavin, dilaw. Ray. Dilaw. Okay, look. Hazen, what color does si dilaw? Yellow or blue? Which one? Yellow or blue? Go. Is that color yellow or blue? Okay, very good, Hazen. Good job. Next color, we have pula. Gavin, sit properly, Gavin. Sit properly, waiting hands. Sit properly, stop moving. Next. Hazen. Look. Pula. Okay, how about Gavin? Pula. Sit. Pula. Gavin. Look at teacher. Pula. Gavin. Pula. Pula. How about Ray? Pula. Okay, next naman, Gavin. Go, get. Not your turn. Hazel, waiting hands. Go, Gavin, get.
Pula.
Pula. Anong kulay sa pula? Red or blue? Pula. Red or blue? Which one? Color? Gavin, go. Red or blue? Pula. Go. Hazel, not your turn. Gavin, choose here. Red or blue? Gavin, look at teacher. It's color. Put it here. Not your turn. Go. Gavin. Get the paper. Get. Go. Hazen, waiting hands. Wait for your turn. Go. Gavin, put it here. Red. Pula. Put it here. Listen to teacher. Get. Then put it here. Go. Red. Okay, very good. Next one. Ray, your turn. Look. Say bughaw. Bughaw. What is this again? Bughaw. Very good. How about Hazen? Bughaw. Okay, go. Ray. Anong kulay daw si bughaw? Go. Saan mo lalagay yan? Kulay? Ano yung natitirang kulay? Go. Ano yung natitirang kulay? Go. Ray. Go. Put mo. Gavin, sit properly. Gavin, sit properly. No. Sit properly. Go, put it here. Put it here. Okay, very good. Next, again, dilaw.
Step. Step again. Get my color purple ring. Purple ring. Step. Very good. Now for next one. Go back. Step back.
Let's count the pair. Let's count. 1, 2. Okay, the number 2.
Pink. Okay, go back.
What number is this? 2.
What is it? Step.
Follow teacher.
What's your
Follow
step?
teacher. Do not remove. No.
Very good.
Next. How about the
Wow.
count? Let's count. How many counts? First count.
Next one.
1. Count first. Before you get the number. Let's count it here. No, you need to count it first. 1,
Next.
2, 3, 4. Oh, get the number 4. Oh, put the number 4. Go, Pia.
Next one, Hazel.
Okay, very good. Next. How about this one? What is this? That?
Orange.
Elephant. How many elephants?
Orange.
Put.
Oh, orange.
Very good, Pia.
Orange first. Okay, next.
This one, how about the alligator? Count. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, look mo yung step mo. Step ka, step.
Go. Drop, Pia.
Last one.
The bunnies. How many bunnies? Count. Let's count it first.
Very good.
1, 2.
Look at the color, Hazel. Okay, get one cotton bud. Color. Very good. Next one. Get ka po. Get. Okay. Look at the color. Very good. Next one. Uy. Very good. Next. Next one.
Ay, Mon. Bakit naman gano'n? Okay, nag-touch. Okay? No touching.
Next one. Very good. Pink. Where's the color pink? Good job. Next. Color pink. Very good. Next one. Very good, Asian.
Call mommy. Okay, I will call mommy. Mommy, where are you?
Color blue. Look, Hazen. Look mo this one. Blue. Where's the color blue? Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Next one.
Stop running na. Papayos ka na. You want this? I will call mommy. Mommy. Yes.
Green.
Mommy. Call mommy. Let's
Green.
go to mommy. Let's go.
Blue. Orange.
Sorry, ah. Ay, what is the potato?
Next.
Last one. Green, green. Okay, very good. Okay, here you go. Fix the rocket puzzle, okay? You look for number 1 first, okay? Oh, fix mo si number 1. Paano si number 1? Fix number 1. Fix number 1. Paano lalagay si number 1? Yan. O, next. 2. Number 2. Oh, put mo properly. Tingnan mo magkahiwalay pa sila, oh. Okay, very good. Next number. Number 3. Where's number 3? Number 3. Oh, look mo. Circle. 3.
Dapat ba sticker muna si Monmon eh?
4. 5. 5. Next. Very good. Next one. Next. Eight. 9. Fix up sa number 9. Fix number 9. Uh-oh, not like that. Try again. Fix number 9. 9. Okay, very good. Next one. Rabbit. Number 1. 2. Three, 4, 4, 6, 6. That's right. That's right. 6, 7. 8. Fix mo sa number 8. 8. 9. Kabila. 9. Okay, very good. Let's go. Follow that. Set ka na 1 ball. Yes, next ball. 1 ball. Go up, go up. That's it. How about there? 6 to there. Here. Go. Here. Now, let's go. Here. Go. Next step. That's it. Follow teacher. Down. Shoot. Very good. Okay, you go back. Where's up? Let it go. Sleepy. You go. Try it. There. Careful. There. shoot. Very good. Next one. Go next one. Next one, next one. Go, 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 go. In your eyes.
Fix the cat. No, you need to follow teacher. Go, go, go. Go here.
Okay, next step. Go up. Go up. You can do it. Very good. Then shoot. Okay, next. Get another one. Go up. Up, up. Very good, Hazen. Go, 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 go. No, no, no. White basket. Where's the white basket? Get noodle. Get. Go, go right here. White basket. Get. Go. Go back. Go back. Go back. Paano yung obstacle? Go up. Very good. Down. Shoot. Next one. Get another one. Go up, up, up. Hazen, go up. Oh, go up ka daw. Go back ka daw. Hindi ka kaya. Go back. Step. Step here. Go. Good. Over there, oh. Go. Look at your step. Hold my ball. Hold the ball. Hold. Go. Step. Hazen, go up. Okay, kami yan. Shoot. Shoot. Hazen, shoot. Shoot properly. Go up. Shoot. Okay, get another one. Go, get another one. Go. Here, get color blue. Go, blue. Here. Pink. Color blue. Go. Okay, go back. Look at your step. Look at your step. Go, come here. Okay, very good. Okay, Gavin and Hazen. Now you're going to choose the correct answer. If the picture is a utensil or furniture. Okay, going to put your answer here, huh? Number 1, Gavin. What is this? Look at the picture. It's a cup. Cup is a utensil or a furniture. Go. Where do you put the cup? Utensil or furniture? Go. Get the picture, Gavin. Get. Oh, where do you put that? Utensil or furniture? Go. It's a Gavin. Go. It's a utensil. Put it here. Go. Go, Gavin. Put it here. Oh, again, get. Oh, then put it here. Go. Follow teacher. Oh, look. Oh, hold it properly. Then put it here. Go, Gavin. Okay, good job. Oh, waiting hands. Wait, hands. Stop moving. Next one. Hazen, how about... what is this? Chair. How about the chair? Is that a furniture or utensil? Go. It's a... Go, Hazen. Furniture or utensil? Which one? Which one? Okay, good job. Very good. Oh, okay na. Correct. Good job, Hazen. Next one. Gavin, your turn. How about... what is this? Table. Okay, where do you put the table? Is that a utensil or furniture? Go, Gavin. Which one? Choose. Go. It's a furniture. Very good. Put it here. Put it here. Put it properly. Okay. Good job, Gavin. Wait hands, Hazen. Waiting hands. Next one. Oh, your turn. Hazen, how about this one? What is this? Plate. Okay, the plate is furniture or utensils? Go. Is that a furniture or utensil? Which one? Go, plate, furniture or utensils? Go. Again, I said plate. One more. It's a utensils. Go, put it here. Okay, very good, Hazen. Waiting hands. Waiting hands. Next one, Gavin. Wait. Okay, Hazen, look. You're going to look at the picture and circle the correct answer, okay? Hold your pencil. Okay, wait. What is this? Is this a frying pan or pot? What is this? It's a... Hazen, look here. What is this? It's a... say frying pan. Frying pan. Okay, let's circle. Circle the answer. Go. Circle. Frying pan. Circle mo. Circle mo. Help teacher. Circle. Next, how about this one? Is this a bowl or oven glove? What is this? It's a... Hazen, what is this? It's a... say oven glove. It's a oven glove. Go. Circle. Circle. Okay. Very good, Hazen. Next one. How about this one? Is this a cleaver or plate? What is this? It's a... say cleaver. Cleaver. Go. Circle. Cleaver. Okay. Go. Circle. Good job, Hazen. Next one. How about this one? Is this a pot or spatula? What is this? It's a spatula. Go, circle. Circle the word spatula. Spatula. Go. Okay, very good, Hazen. Next one. How about this one? Look. Is this a grater or bowl? What is this? What is this? It's a... say grater. Grater. Good job. Next one. Is this an apron or cutlery? What is this? Say cutlery. Cutlery. Go. Circle. Okay, next. How about this one? Look, Hazen. Is this a ladle or a whisk? Go. Ladle. Okay, Gavin and Hazen. Waiting hands. Gavin, sit properly. Gavin. Okay. Can you read? What is this? Say utensils. How about Gavin? Utensils. Go. Gavin. Say utensils. Utensils. Okay, utensils. We have here. Number one. What is this? It's a plate. Plate. No. Waiting hands, Gavin. What is it again? It's a plate. Good job, Hazen. How about Gavin? Plate. Gavin, look at teacher. Plate. Say plate. Say it. Plate. Okay, plate. Next one, Gavin. How about this one? Next this. It's a fork. Gavin. Fork. Yes, fork. Hazen, fork. Fork. Okay, next one. How about this one? Spoon. Good job, Hazen. Yes, spoon and fork. Yes, next. How about this one? It's a cup. Say cup, Gabi. Cup. Cup. Okay, cup. Then last one, we have glass. Glass. Very good, Hazel. Now, go. Glass. Good job. Next. Next one, how about say furniture. Furniture. Okay, how about examples of furniture? Number 1, we have table. What is this, Gabi? Remove your hands. Go, look. Table. Gabi, look here. Yes, table. How about Hazel? Table. Say table. Okay, table. Next. Hazel. Bed. Good job. How about Gabi? Bed. Bed. Okay, bed. Sit down. Sit down only. Next. Next one. Sofa. 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 Okay, very good. Sofa. Next. Chair. Good job, Gabi. How about Hazel? Sit down. Sit down. Go, Hazel. Chair. Chair. Hazel, say chair. Okay, chair. Gabi.
Gavin.
Gabi, last one. Look, shelves. Shelves. Very good. Shelves. Now, you're going to...
Next one, insert. Look mo, hold mo properly. Pink. Insert. Dito. Ito, this one. Here. Insert. Tignan mo ko. Yan. Next, orange.
Jared. Projector. Where's the projector?
Green.
Okay. Next. Tyler. Get one.
Next one.
What's that? Okay, where's the computer? Okay, good job. Next. Next one. Darren.
Okay, orange.
It's a seesaw.
Oops.
Okay, look for
Here you go.
Where is the seesaw? Okay, good job. Sit down. Next. Tyler. Get one.
Next.
Go. What's that?
This one.
It's a wall clock.
Oops.
The wall
Careful.
clock. Okay, sit down. Next.
Here you
Last
go.
one. Jared. Wait. It's a table. Oh, where's the table? Okay, good job.
Next. Very good. Get.
Sit back. Good back. Go.
Very good, Aza. Next one. Get. Go.
Next, Raymond. Sit back. Stand up. Oh. Ay. Saya ka pa. Saya ka pa.
Next one. Go, Hazen.
Sit down.
Very good. Next one, Hazen. Look at your work. Hazen. Go, 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 go.
Simon, teacher.
Oops. Oh no. Last one, last one. Okay. Put. Get one. Get one. Go. Next. Sige, go. Get ka. Next. Press mo, press. Okay, next one. Press. Next. Go, Hazen. Next. Go next one. Green. Next. Hazen, look at your work. Next one. Next, next. Next one, Hazen, look at your work. Very good. Go. Shoot, shoot. Sige, go. Shoot. Shoot. Next. Next one. Hazen, Hazen, hurry up. Next. Go, next one, next one. Okay, very good. You're gonna put it together the same color. Yellow, waiting hands lang. Green. Sky blue. Red. And color orange. Okay, you're gonna put it together, ha? Let's start with this one. What color is this? Put it together. Sige, hawakan mo. Put. Shoot mo, shoot. Okay, next. What color is this one? Oh, look at the color. Look at the color. Which one? Oh, look color. Sky blue. Put it together. Done? Look at your work. Try again. Go, Hazen, look at your work. Okay, next. Color. Put it together. Okay, next. Color. Very good.
Color is blue. Hold it properly, Tyler. Hold it properly. Go.
Go, Hazen. Put together. Done? Sige, kaya mo yan. Done?
Okay, next one. How about this one?
Okay, next one. Color.
Is this just for school? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Color is blue.
Go, Hazen. Done?
Faster, faster.
And this one. This one. Put mo. Yan. Okay, next. Color.
Next picture. Vacuum cleaner. That is for school, yes or no? No.
Finish. Next one.
How about the ice cream? No. Okay, this one soap. Soap.
Done. Next.
No. Okay, how about the oven? No. Pencil. Yes. No. Color.
Next.
Okay. Next.
Go, Hazen.
Back.
Shoot, 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 shoot.
Yes. No.
Go, Hazen. Shoot. Color green. Okay, next one.
Go. Okay, very good. Next. What is this?
Shoot.
Red.
Next.
Candy. Carpenter.
Next.
No.
Next one. Next. Shoot. Next one. Good job. Next. Okay, kaya mo yan. Shoot slowly. Next one. Oops. Go, go, go. This one. Look at your work, Hazen. Next. Next one. Oops. Put properly. Okay, next. Sige, go. Next one. Go, Hazen. Okay, next. Next one. Done? Last one. Last one, Hazen. Hazen, last one. Okay, very good. Okay, let's put it back the flowers, ha? Let's start with color blue. Look at teacher. Spread and then put. Okay, oh, you try. Open. There you go. Put. Very good. Next one. Go, Hazen. Put it properly. How about this one? Put mo properly. Yan. Next one. Put. Sige, go anywhere. Spread. Okay. Next. Here you go. Go. good. No? Put mo pa both, okay? Next. Go, go, go. Go, you can do it. Open. Spread. Hindi kaya mo yan. Raise and hold. Hold this one. Spread. Spread. Put. Again. Hold mo. Put. Next one. Try again. Yan. Very good. Ganon. Okay. Next one. Put mo anywhere. Sige, go anywhere. Okay. Next. Very good, Hazen. Sige, go. O, both mo. Dalawa. Yan. Dalawa. Hold mo yung both. Both. Hold. Hold mo. Go, put.
Tyler, stand up. Stand.
Finish. Done? Okay, try again. Color blue. Go, color blue. Go, Hazen. Open mo, open. Yan, ganyan, oh. Try again. Here you go. Very good. That's right. Finish. Last one. Here, look. Last one. Go. Okay, very good. Next one, close the bottle lid, okay? And here you go. Where is number 6? Okay, close mo, speed. Sige, go, close it properly like this. Close, spin mo, yan. Ikot mo, yan. Very good. Okay, next one, where's number 4? Close it. Yan, very good. Close. Next number. Close number 2. Close mo properly. Go. Close mo. Ikot. Close. Please. Next one. Close it. Close it. Ikot. Go, ikot mo. Ikot, close. Okay, next one. Go. Close it. Close. Go, close mo properly. Ikot mo. Oh, close mo yung bottle. Close the bottle. Go. Like this, Hazen, no? Ito-close mo yung bottle. Go. Ikot. Ayan. Okay, next one. Close it properly. Close it properly. Ayan, sige, ikot mo pa. More. Yan. Okay, next one. One. Where's number 1? 1. Number 1. Oh, close mo yung button. Close. Ikot. Sige, go. More. Do it again. Go. Very good. Next. Nine. Go, Hazen. Close it, close. Close mo properly. Oops. Picture. Close it, Hazen. Go. Ikot mo, like this. Ikot. Sige, ikaw. Look mo. No, Hazen, listen to teacher. Like this. Ikot. Last one. Yan. Very good. Ganong ikot. Go. Close mo properly. Ikot mo. Yun. Okay, very good. Okay, I'll put my clothespin. Here you go. Hazen, look. Get one and put. Hold mo properly. Like this. Okay, next one. Next. Go, Hazen. Very good. Next one. Next one. Baliktad. Yan. Put it here. Hold me like this, Open. Put. Very good. Next one. Next. Go, Hazen. Very good. Okay, next. There you go. Next one. Go, Hazen. Look at your work. Hindi sa finger. Next one. Very good. Yellow. Next. Orange. Careful. Next one. Red. Which one? Okay, next. Go, Hazen. Very good. Next one. Go, Hazel. Baliktad po, baliktad. Again. Go. Do not remove. Get another one. Another one. Baliktad, Hazel, like this. Okay, last one. Get, last one.
What is this?
Open.
Say fish. Fish.
Okay, very good.
Okay, Hazen, you're going to color all the things that is used for school, okay? Oh, hold your color. Hold mo. Hazen, go. Oh, number 1. Wait. Wait, teacher. Hold it properly. Crayons. Okay, go. Color. Up, down, up. Like this. Oh, go. Follow, teacher.
1, 2,
Wait.
1, 2,
Up, down, up. Look at your work. Go. Hold it properly. Okay, next. Eraser. Go. Your turn. Eraser. Go. Color. Go, Hazen. Hold it properly again. Go. Okay.
teacher.
Hold it properly. Next, notebook. Go. Color. Very good. Go. Continue. Go. Notebook. Okay, next one. What is this? It's a pencil. Very good. Go. Down, up. Look at your work. Look. Go. Next one. This one. What is this? Bag. Very good. Go. Color. Okay. Good job. Go. Okay, Gavin and Hazel. Are you going to name the features? Okay, number 1, Gavin, what is this? It's a paintbrush. How about Gavin? Say paintbrush. Gavin. Look here. No. Paintbrush. Look, Gavin. Here. Paintbrush. Okay, paintbrush. Next one. Hazel. Ruler. Say it. Ruler. Okay, how about Gavin? Ruler. Look at the picture. Ruler. Okay, next. Next one. Gavin. Desk. Oh, look. Desk. Oh, let's put it here. Waiting hands, Hazel. Wait hands lang. Waiting hands only. Gavin. Yes, so far. Wait hands. Listen to teacher first. Next. Gavin, look. Book. Very good. How about Hazen? Book. Okay, book. Next. Sharpener. Say it. Sharpener. Okay. Hazen. Sharpener. Okay, next. How about this one, Gavin? Pizza? What is this? Gavin. Pencil. Very good. Hazen, look. Pencil. Okay, pencil. And last one we have? Board. Okay, what is this, Gavin? Board. Very good. Give it to the teacher now. Okay, now you're going to get all the things that is used for school, ha? Gavin, can you get where is the pencil? Give it to the teacher. Go. Pencil. Gavin. No. Pencil lang. Nasaan? Pencil. Get. Give it to teacher. Pencil. Go, Gavin. Give it to teacher. Go. Give teacher. Get. Then give it to teacher. Give. Okay. Next one, Hazen. How about the sharpener? Sharpener. Sorry. Go. Sharpener. Go. Get it. Look mo, pictures. Sharpener. Go, Hazen. Look here. Sharpener. Get. Oh, give it to teacher. Gavin, quiet. Oh, go. Get. Again, get. Get. Then give it to teacher. Put it here. Hazen, get. Then put it here. Oh, put here. Okay, next. Next one. Gavin's turn. Uh-oh. How about the book? Book. Asaan yung book? Go, book. Go, Gavin. Oh, give it to teacher. Go. Book. Put it here. Go. Okay, good job. Next one. Hazen, paintbrush. Paintbrush. Nasaan yung paintbrush? Gavin, wait for your turn. Waiting hands, go. Hazen. Paintbrush. Go. Oh, get. Paintbrush. You got to wait first. Go. Uh-oh. Okay, Gavin and Hazen. Come here, Gavin. Going to get one word, and put it on the correct picture. Go get one. Get one. Okay, let's read. What is this? It's say wall clock. Okay, asan yung wall clock? Very good, Gavin. Good job. Okay, sit down. Oh, go back. Blue chair. Dali, go. Blue chair. Next one. Hazen, your turn. Come here. Hazen. Go, get one. Go. Okay, eraser. Go. Asaan? Eraser. Where is the eraser? Uh-oh. Eraser again. Hazen, eraser.
Gavin,
Look here. Eraser.
sit down.
Okay, good job. Sit down. Next one. Gavin, your turn. Come here. Your turn. Stand up. Stand up. Your turn. Dali, go. Get one. Okay, what's that? It's scissors. Good job. Oh, go. Put it properly. Gavin. Look. Oh, let's put it properly. Look here. Gavin, look. Okay, sit down. Very good. Next one. Hazen, your turn. Remove one word. Go. Okay, what's that? It's say board marker. Okay, go. Look for board marker. Uh-oh, board marker. Go. Board marker, this one. Okay, very good. Put it properly. Good job. Okay, sit down, Hazen. Next one. Gavin. Gavin's turn. Gavin, come here. Next. Oh, go. Get. Remove. Remove. What's that? Watercolor paint. Go, watercolor paint. Nasaan? Okay. Good job, Gavin. Put it properly. Press mo. Press. Okay. Sit down. Next one. Hazen.